Hey everyone, have you ever thought about what it's like to grow old in Zimbabwe? Today, let's talk about a vision that could change the lives of our senior citizens. Nelson Chamisa, leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, has a bold plan called My Aged Care. He unveiled this visionary initiative on the International Day of Older Persons, highlighting the numerous challenges our elderly face. From economic hardships and declining pensions to poor social and health services, the struggles are real. Chamisa believes that our senior citizens who have given so much to our country deserve dignity, comfort and security in their golden years. So, what does My Aged Care entail? First, personalized records for every elderly citizen. This would include essential services like rent assistance, healthcare benefits, free transportation and utility aid. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your basic needs are covered, but that's not all. Chamisa's plan also proposes pensions and social services for those who pass an income and assets test. It's about ensuring that those who need help the most can get it. Chamisa envisions a new Great Zimbabwe, where inclusive policies support both the young and the old. He dreams of a society where seniors can enjoy their retirement with the dignity they deserve. Imagine a Zimbabwe where our senior citizens don't have to worry about their next meal or how to pay for their medication. A country where they can ride the bus for free and live in homes with subsidized rent. This is not just a dream. It's a plan that could reshape our society. By addressing the root causes of these issues, lack of good governance, weak rule of law and human rights violations, Chamisa believes we can move forward. Creating a level playing field for political participation and ensuring free and fair elections is crucial for building a more democratic and prosperous future. Imagine the pride you'd feel seeing our elderly happy, healthy and taken care of. This is about recognizing their contributions and giving back in a meaningful way. Chamisa's My Aged Care plan is more than just policy. It's a commitment to our elders. It's about creating a Zimbabwe where everyone, regardless of age, can live with dignity and respect. So, what do you think? Can Chamisa's vision become a reality? Let's start a conversation about how we can support our senior citizens and build a better future for all Zimbabweans. Thanks for watching. If you believe in this vision, share this video and let's make a difference together. Until next time, take care.